Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive, send, and set up money from Telegram Wallet. Guys, Telegram Wallet lets you handle crypto like USDT, Bitcoin, or TON for quick, secure payments. And I'll make it super easy to get started. Let's dive in. Open the Telegram app on your phone and swipe down to the search bar at the top. Type @wallet and select the official wallet bot. Look for the blue check mark to confirm it's legit. Tap Start to open the wallet bot. You'll see a welcome message explaining you can buy, send, or receive crypto like USDT or Bitcoin. Tap Open Wallet and agree to the terms by hitting Continue. This sets up your Telegram wallet, landing you on the main screen showing your balance. It'll be zero if you're new. To activate your wallet fully, verify your identity. Tap Settings in the wallet bot, select Verification, and upload a photo ID like a passport or driver's license. Follow the prompts to submit. Verification takes minutes to a day. Once verified, your wallet's ready for action. To add funds, tap Add Crypto on the main screen. Buy crypto like USDT or Bitcoin using a debit credit card or bank transfer via Telegram's payment partners. For example, select USDT, enter $20, choose your card, and confirm. Funds appear instantly, minus a small fee. Check wallet.tg for current rates. To send money, tap Send on the main screen. Choose a Telegram contact from your chat list or enter their wallet address. Find addresses in Settings, My Wallet Address. Select a currency like 10 USDT, enter the amount, and tap Continue. Confirm with your PIN or Face ID. The transfer is instant and fee-free within Telegram. To receive money, share your wallet address from Settings or have the sender select you from their contacts. Receive funds hit your balance immediately. View your transaction history by tapping Transactions on the main screen. It shows all sends and receives with details like amounts, dates, and wallet addresses. Unique tip: enable push notifications in Settings to get instant alerts for incoming funds. Perfect for tracking payments on the go. If a transfer fails, ensure your wallet is verified or check your internet connection. For issues, message at Wallet Support Team or visit wallet.tg/support. You can also use Telegram Wallet for P2P trading via the P2P Market tab to exchange crypto with others securely. This setup is ideal for sending crypto to friends, paying for services like freelance work, or receiving payments for online sales, all within Telegram's encrypted platform. Use USDT for stable transactions or Bitcoin for investment-focused transfers. For security, never share your PIN or private keys, and always double-check wallet addresses before sending. By the way, if you're looking for a safer and cheaper way to send and receive money online, I recommend Wise. I use it personally. It works seamlessly for payments in the US and abroad, and the fees are far lower than most wallets or banks. Sign up with the link in the description, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free. Creating a Wise account is quick, free, and it will save you money every single time you send.